Tesla trunk liner mats are essential accessories that protect your vehicle's cargo area. Let's start by seeing the difference they make between a clean, protected trunk and one that's left exposed to everyday wear and tear. These mats shield against spills, scratches, and debris that can damage your Tesla's interior. They're especially popular for protecting the trunks of Model 3, Model Y, Model S, and Model X vehicles. In this video, we'll compare Tesla's official trunk liner mats with Jowua mats, a popular and affordable aftermarket alternative. We'll cover product features, easy installation guides, and hear from real consumers about their experiences. Tesla's official trunk liner mats are designed specifically for your Tesla vehicle. These mats offer custom-fitted design for each Tesla model, using laser-cut precision to accommodate complex trunk geometries of models like the Model 3, Model Y, Model S, and Model X. Made with high-density EVA foam and a textured, non-slip surface for excellent grip and durability. Key features include raised edges to contain spills, resistance to oils and chemicals, and overall durability. These mats range from $80 to $120 and receive expert praise for OEM quality, with 92% owner satisfaction. Jowua trunk liner mats offer an affordable alternative to Tesla's official mats, using high-quality materials like thermoplastic elastomer or PVC composites. Jowua trunk liner mats offer an affordable alternative to Tesla's official mats, using high-quality materials like thermoplastic elastomer or PVC composites. They utilize thermoplastic elastomer, also known as TPE or PVC composites, providing flexibility and durability similar to Tesla's EVA foam. Jowua offers both custom and universal designs for various Tesla models, with some requiring minor trimming to fit perfectly. Key features include waterproofing to protect against spills, UV resistance for outdoor durability, odor control to keep the trunk fresh, and antimicrobial properties to prevent mold and bacteria. Jowua mats are priced affordably between $30 and $50, making them a budget-friendly option. Consumer reviews score Jowua at 4.1 out of 5, focusing on great value, compared to Tesla's 4.3 out of 5 for superior durability. Tesla official mats cost between $80 and $120, while Jowua mats are priced at $30 to $50. Tesla uses high-density EVA foam with recycled plastics for durability. Jowua employs TPE or PVC composites with added odor control and antimicrobial properties. Tesla mats offer OEM precision fit for perfect alignment. Jowua provides universal or custom options that may need trimming. Tesla has superior durability with minimal wear. Jowua offers good protection but may show fading after 2 to 3 years. Tesla includes a standard warranty, while Jowua offers a 1-year warranty. Both brands are moving toward recycled materials for sustainability. Tesla emphasizes eco-friendly options, and Jowua has introduced biodegradable choices. Installing Tesla trunk liner mats is straightforward and takes just 5 to 10 minutes. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, prepare your Tesla's trunk by cleaning the floor thoroughly and removing any dirt or debris. This ensures the mat adheres properly. Next, align the mat with your trunk's contours. Position it so the cutouts match the charging cable wells and spare tire area for perfect fit. Press down firmly but evenly across the entire mat surface. This prevents air bubbles and ensures a secure, flat installation. Finally, secure the mat using the peel and stick backing or snap-in clips. Peel off the adhesive backing and press firmly, or snap the clips into place for a tool-free installation. With the mat properly installed, your Tesla's trunk is now fully protected against scratches, spills, and debris. Installing Jowua trunk liner mats is straightforward and requires no special tools. Follow these steps for a secure, long-lasting fit. First, prepare the installation area. Thoroughly clean the trunk surface with mild soap and water to remove any dirt, oil, or residue. Allow it to dry completely before proceeding. Next, carefully align the Jowua mat over the trunk floor. Position it so that the edges match the trunk contours and any raised areas fit properly. Now secure the mat in place. If using adhesive backing, apply even pressure across the surface to ensure a strong bond. For hook and loop fasteners, press the mat firmly against the trunk floor. If using universal Jowua designs, trim any excess material to achieve a perfect fit. Use sharp scissors and carefully follow the trunk contours. The entire installation process usually takes just 5 to 10 minutes. Once secured, test the fit by closing the trunk lid, to ensure everything stays in place. As seen in the Cybertruck example, Jowua's universal designs can sometimes provide a better initial fit for unique vehicle shapes compared to Tesla's custom mats. Real-world experiences show how trunk liner mats perform in everyday use. Let's look at some actual case studies and user feedback. A Model Y owner on Reddit compared Jowua mats at $35 to Tesla's official mats at $95. Both provided comparable water resistance, but the Jowua mats required trimming for the front extension. After 18 months of use, the Jowua mats showed minor fading, while Tesla's remained pristine, highlighting the trade-off between cost and long-term durability. An Auto Trader review tested Tesla Model 3 mats against Jowua mats. Tesla's official mats showed zero mold resistance issues, while Jowua had 5% of users reporting mold in humid climates. However, 85% of users preferred Jowua for its ease of removal, making it better for frequent cleaning or multi-vehicle households. Across Tesla Motors Club and Reddit's r/Tesla, user reviews show Tesla's official mats earning 4.5 out of 5 stars for their precise fit and durability. Jowua mats score 4.2 out of 5 for their value proposition. A common concern is wear on non-official mats after 2 to 3 years of regular use, though no major safety issues are reported. As we conclude our exploration of trunk liner mats for Tesla vehicles, let's summarize the key differences and help you decide which option is best for your needs. Tesla official mats excel in OEM quality, offering a perfect fit and exceptional long-term durability, though they come at a premium price. Jowua mats provide reliable protection at a much lower cost with universal options, but may show some wear over time. We recommend Tesla official mats for those seeking OEM quality, perfect fit, and unmatched long-term durability. For budget-conscious buyers who still need reliable protection, Jowua mats offer an excellent value proposition. Current trends include a shift towards sustainable materials and customization. Looking ahead, we expect AI-assisted design and increased demand as electric vehicle adoption continues to grow, potentially reaching 25% market share by 2030. We'd love to hear about your experiences with trunk liner mats. Share your thoughts in the comments and feel free to ask any questions. We're here to help you make the best choice for your Tesla.